guys. Okay, so today's the 5th of April 2012 and I'm just at home. My dad and my sister have gone out to do a job and I'm just packing for Deniliquin today. I'm driving, fun, it's like a 4-hour drive. Dad's like, you have to find your own way there, print off the directions and you're leading the way. I'm like, oh great, you know, I know how to drive, so it means I can turn and, you know, like lead the actual way as well. I'm being sarcastic. I'm not hopeless, I just need more confidence. I had like 5 lessons and they're expecting me to like be a pro already. But it's not something that you can learn in like 5-6 lessons. It's something that comes with experience. Experience comes with driving a lot, which is the department I lack in, as they don't let me. And it's like, yeah, just do this, you know. Oh, I'm sorry now. I don't even know what I'm doing. Alright, well, I'll talk to you later, maybe.
Hey guys, we're at the car wash in Water Garden.
So this is about a couple of hours later from my previous video. Still haven't left for Denny. Mind you, it is 1:45, which means I would have just finished my studio right now. Speaking of, I should email my teachers.
Which means
That
we'll
would
get to
help.
Denny at 6, 7. Takes 4 hours.
4 hours, yeah.
But I got a new phone.
So much for tennis. We're going to play Nightfall.
I know. Do they even have lights?
I don't think they do. I can't remember.
Shattered.
Go help Dad.